inside of me. In this desert I can look at you.
Hi everyone, it's New Year's Eve and I just finished my day. I'm so happy. I'm so ready to be done with this year. I am so over this shit. Okay, that being said, I did do a review for you guys. It's the Beetles Merlot Collection, and okay, the title kind of, you'll see what I mean. I'm just not sure that it's really fitting for what it is, but we went ahead and swatched those colors for you, and so you can give me some feedback on what you think. And just so you know, I did get the opportunity to do a quick video on nail prep, so be looking for that video. Some of you guys had asked if I could do a video on nail prep, so I went ahead and I will be getting that edited in the next few days and have that up as well. So if you are new here, thank you for joining us. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate all the support and I love your comments and your feedback. It's so great to interact with other people. I've been doing nails for about 20 years, and I'm telling you what, I still go to YouTube all the time to look for more content from other creators, to see what's out there and how to improve and everything else. I by no means am perfect. I am a nitpicker, but I am not perfect. And I have a lot to learn. I'm still learning. So if you see me do something that might not be quite right, it's okay, it works for me, makes my money, pays my bills, so shut the fuck up. Anyway, I'm just kidding, I love you guys all. So this video, like I said, is a review for the Beetles Gel Polish Merlot Collection. If there is something else that you would like to see me review, drop me a note, comment below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and happy motherfucking new year. Goodbye motherfucking 2020. You sucked for the most part. I'm so glad it's over. So glad it's over. Bigger and better things, guys. Bigger and better things. Okay, everybody, so this is the way that the Beetles polishes come boxed when you get the sets off of Amazon. Typical standard box for them. Sorry about the camera angle here. I accidentally had my phone turned the wrong way, but still wanted to be able to show you it. Each of the boxes comes with the instruction guide, and there's little tips on how long to cure it. Please, if you haven't heard me say this, the Beetles need cured longer, so please read that so that you can cure for the proper amount of time. So I'm just getting out the 6 colors here, and this is called the Merlot Collection. So the first one would be 393, and it goes 394, 395, 396, 397, and then 398. Those are the numbers that go in this particular boxed set. So we will start off with the first one, which is the 39, what did I say, 4? Hold on a second. 393. So this winds up being like a buff color. It's very pretty. It's a nice neutral. I just don't quite understand how it wound up in this collection. If you're going to call it a Merlot collection, the idea I was hoping to get would be the colors for the fall, for the wines, but I suppose in the fall you're still going to use the nude colors. Very pretty. And then we'll go on to the second color. and this one is 394. 394 is a very pretty mauve tone. So very neutral. I remember years ago using a similar color on my nails on a regular basis before I, went a little wild with stuff. But in general, I keep my nails pretty toned down. And this is the perfect toned down color for me. This is mauve. So, sorry about my phone going off in the background, if you can hear that. And please don't mind my nails. They were a hot mess during filming. I have since got them finished and done. 395. This is the berry color. This is what I really wanted to see out of this collection. I've been looking for a nice berry wine color. And this for me wasn't as stunning as I had hoped for. It's an okay color. It's nothing special though. There's no dimension to it. It's just kind of there. And if you like that kind of thing, then okay. This next one up is a classic brown. I do use this type of stuff in particular for the artwork. I don't have a lot of clients that wear the brown polish. I do have a few, so it's nice to have several. Sorry, I'm out of shot there. But sometimes when I do nail art, I will use my gel polishes for colors like tree branches or something like that. But it's a nice milk chocolatey brown color. I was more pleased with that than I thought. 397. I also thought this was going to be a gorgeous purple color. I was really hoping. And in all honesty, I was kind of disappointed. If you'll notice these little ring tabs that I'm painting, I did get off of Amazon. I do have them on most of my colors. It was a way for clients to see the colors but not necessarily touch them on my walls with the whole COVID thing going on. Do you see this purple? It's not quite just as dark. We'll see second coat. Okay, 398. Not really sure about how this wound up in this collection, but this is a Christmas color, out and out. Valentine's Day. I loved it. I used it a tremendous amount. It is a very pretty red glitter. I have used red glitter gel polish from Gelish in Good Gossip for a number of years, but I'll tell you what, I really like this one. This one is super, super pretty. So for me, this set, it was worth buying just for that. Once again, here's after 2 coats. I skipped over showing you guys the polishing of the second coat, but this is how they come up when they're cured and a top coat on them. 394. The mauve, very neutral. I definitely will have clients wear that. First 2 colors, thumbs up. Next color. Okay, so remember I said this wasn't very vibrant. There wasn't really a lot of pop to it or anything. I was a little disappointed. Do you see what I mean? It's nothing special. It's just kind of 396. Was more impressed with this as a brown than some. It's nice. It'll be good for the fall, so that's good. My other disappointment, I'm so disappointed over those 2 colors. The ones that I really thought were going to be the best wound up being the worst out of this collection for me personally. You might like them. I did not. I'm not going to grab those. They are not anything. That purple should pop. That should be a beautiful Merlot purple color, and it just doesn't. But this one makes it worth it. So there's that red. See how beautiful it is? Very pretty color. So those are the 6 colors in this collection. Swatched 2 coats with a top coat. They're ready to go up on my shelf for clients to use. Hopefully you'll get a little better picture there. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out the troubleshooting for Beetles gel polish. Thanks a lot.